it's December 17th, and it's time to open my calendar. Let's do what we usually do, or what we always do. Let's start with Roxanne. She brought us a small one yesterday. Let's see if this one is a big one. Feels like a big one. It is. A day to remember. Perfect. This one. Let's start. A day to remember. Sweet. So, let's go over to 17th. Jessink. It's a gift certificate with a bunch of numbers and a swish for you. Let's see how it looks on paper. You make your own gift certificates. Nice. I'm not gonna do all the numbers. Just gonna try a few, get the idea. I'm gonna do this swish for you. Here. Very nice. Very nice. So, let's go to Reprint and see what they have in store for us today. Oops. I accidentally opened the 17th of December yesterday. So the tulips was for today and this one was for yesterday. Yeah. Things happen. See what it is. I think it says Happy Easter. Yeah, it does. So we got the gift certificate from Jessink with all numbers. I didn't stamp everyone up, but you get the idea how the font is. And there was another text that says a swish for you. And we got the reprint Happy Easter. It's actually the 16th. Like this one was from yesterday. I accidentally mixed them up. It says Happy Easter. And from Roxanne, we got a die that says A Day to Remember. Yeah, very nice. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.